Okay guys, this is the most random review of a car ever done. Most random impromptu. Golf Mark 7R. I'm just going to walk around it first. These are 19-inch rare alloys. Can't remember what they're called. The front trim is being wrapped, so that's going to go on in a minute. It's got a nice bit of dirt on it. Probably going to need cleaning soon. Let's just show you the engine bay. Look at that. 2-litre turbo TSI. Beautiful engine. Okay. So we're starting my drive off here. I just wanted to get some warmth in the car. So we covered, this is a 2015 Mark 7 DSG, 4-wheel drive, the Haldex system, Golf R with 19-inch Cadiz Volkswagen alloys, which are quite rare. 2-litre turbo TSI, about 300 brake horsepower stock. This one we think is a bit faster than that. It's might have a stage 1 on it. Reversing camera, winter pack, full leather, sat nav, etc. Ottinger rear spoiler in lapis blue, which is a lovely rich metallic colour. Now I'm just going to keep this in drive and just enjoy it in drive. Yeah, we've got enough heat there now, so we're going to stay within the speed limit. I'm just experiencing the car. All right, let's drop this down, give it a little squirt. Oh, it's got plenty of grunt, and that's the speed limit. That's the speed limit. I'm not putting my foot all the way to the floor. What do I feel? It's balanced. It's really balanced. It's unusual being in a 4-wheel drive because you don't get that boot up the backside sensation when you put your foot on the floor. You kind of feel the whole thing going. Yeah. Oh, we're low on fuel. I might stick some fuel in as well. So I'm just experiencing the acceleration of the car staying within the limit. So nice. There we go. Yeah. I'd love, again, whenever I get in a car with performance, I just think I want to put this car around the track, and that straight away is exactly what I feel about this Golf R. It's going to be very difficult to experience all the performance on the roads because it's got so much grunt. Again, the 4-wheel drive thing, the main thing with this Golf is in this time of the year, with a 4-wheel drive, you're able to actually put the power down and push the car without feeling like you're sort of tiptoeing on the roads, or you can come off at any minute, which is nice. I've got completely cold tyres as well, so I'm not gonna go too mad. That's the number plate vibrating there. All right, we'll hang a left, drop it down to second. Oh yes. Oh, that's nice. You can get used to this. The ride position of the seat feels really nice. Good lower bolster support, but not intrusive. The upper back is free, a bit like on most cars, sort of sports cars. They give you good lower bolster protection, but not up top, because then you can't move around the cabin and it becomes a bit too extreme. That buzzing's going to annoy me. I've got to take that plate out. Right, we're going to turn left here before this Land Rover. Quick. Oh, national speed limit, lovely. And that's the speed limit. It effortlessly blasts up to 60. throttle's nice and light. And let's do a heavy brake. Yeah, nice. Really miss not having a proper handbrake there though. Not that you really need it. Right, we're going to slow down here, sorry. 30 zone. We're going to stick to the speed limit. For anyone watching, this is the beautiful village of Uving. You can Google that. Get on the Google Maps and see exactly where I'm driving through. It's so hard to review this car on a public road. In fact, it's very hard to review any performance car on a public road. Let's look at criticising this car, which is something I am a specialist in bitching. The steering's quite light. It's not vague, but it's light. I wonder if there's any way of increasing that, if there's any settings. I know so little about this car. If you can increase the steering feel. Oh, we're going to go this way. Okay. There isn't a hint of the back stepping out, which is unusual. I'm so used to the back wanting to step out on this car. On my BMW. Oh, we slow down over here because we can't see. But really muddy conditions, and you can still, oh, the traction control is kicking in, but the car just doesn't feel like it wants to move around. You know what I mean? It's so stable and it feels agile. There is a bit of vagueness in that front end though. But I'm comparing it to my M4, which has a really nice sharp front end, and that's a 110 grand car. This isn't. This is a hot hatch, so there's going to be some things which don't match up to the M4 obviously, but this is fun. Just trying to stay below that speed limit. I love that. It's such a rare thing to actually feel like you can put your foot down when you're going around a muddy corner. Okay, we're in drive and it is all clear, so let's go. And that's the speed limit. Yeah, I like this. The dashboard quality, I suppose. It's a Golf though, isn't it? You're not going to have a leather dash on one of these, or maybe you do, I don't know. You've got Alcantara door inlets, which are nice. Leather here, which is nice. You've got that center console armrest, which is nice. If you're doing a long journey, you could just plonk this down, kick back and relax, which I like. The feet position, the pedals are in exactly the right place. That on the right hand side, there's like a bit which protrudes out, which you can rest your foot on, which is a bit unusual, so that can interfere with you pushing down on the pedal a bit, but that's just something you get used to, and I'm not used to it as a Golf, you know, as a non-Golf driver, although I've got a Mark 6 daily. I love the massive great brake pedal in the middle. You can't miss that. Now the pedals are nice. I mean, this is a really good car, isn't it? It looks the part, it drives the part, it's got plenty of power. I suppose this centre console looks a bit dated now compared to the latest one. There's quite a lot of black gloss space around this bit, so this bit here looks a little bit dated, but it is a little bit dated. It is, you know, it was designed quite a long time ago, so, but it all kind of makes sense. Oh, there we go. Big space down there for all your phones and stuff like that, which is good. Right, I'm going to stop and put some petrol in this thing. Or I'm going to run out of gas. I'll be back.
Holding on to what I knew, but the moment's gone. Where was I?